How to fix Messenger unable to load camera roll 2026. Photos not showing fix you open Messenger, try to send a photo. And instead of your gallery loading, you get hit with the unable to load camera roll error. You cannot send a single picture and it is completely frustrating. In the next 2 minutes, I will walk you through every fix step by step so you can get back to sharing photos instantly. Let us get into it. Welcome back, I am Daniel, and today we are solving the Messenger unable to load camera roll problem completely in 2026. These fixes work on both Android and iPhone. Let us go. First, why does this happen? This error started affecting large numbers of Messenger users in February 2026. It happens when Messenger loses access to your phone's media files. The main causes are incorrect app permissions, corrupted cache files, an outdated app version, or a temporary bug introduced through a recent update. The good news is every one of these causes has a straightforward fix. Fix 1, check and reset your app permissions. This is the number one cause of this error and the first thing you should try. On Android, go to your phone settings, tap Apps, find Messenger, tap Permissions, then tap Photos and Videos. If it is set to anything other than Always Allow All, tap on it. Set it to Not Allowed first, go back, then go back in and set it to Always Allow All. This toggle reset is what fixes the issue for most users. Also, while you are in Permissions, tap Camera and make sure it is set to Allow only while using the app. On iPhone, go to Settings, scroll down and find Messenger, tap on it, and make sure Photos is set to All Photos and Camera is toggled on. If either is off, toggle it on, then fully close Messenger and reopen it. Fix 2, force stop Messenger and restart it. On Android, go to Settings, tap Apps, find Messenger and tap Force Stop. Then reopen Messenger and try accessing your camera roll again. This clears any temporary glitch running in the background that is blocking your gallery from loading. Fix 3, clear the Messenger app cache. On Android, go to Settings, tap Apps, find Messenger, tap Storage and hit Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data as this will log you out. Just clear the cache only, then reopen Messenger and test your camera roll. Corrupted cache files are one of the most common triggers for this specific error. Fix 4, update the Messenger app. Go to the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone and check for any available Messenger update. The camera roll error was introduced through a buggy app update, and Meta has been pushing fixes through subsequent updates. Installing the latest version often resolves it immediately. Fix 5, check if you are on the Messenger beta program. If you enrolled in Facebook Messenger's beta testing program on Android, you are receiving experimental builds that are more prone to bugs like this one. To opt out, open the Google Play Store, search for Messenger, scroll down to the beta section and tap Leave. Then uninstall and reinstall the stable version of Messenger. Beta-related bugs like this one typically disappear immediately after switching back to the stable release. Fix 6, check your phone storage. If your phone storage is completely full, Messenger cannot access or load media files properly. Go to your phone settings and check your available storage. If it is nearly full, delete unused apps, clear other app caches, or move photos to cloud storage to free up space. Then try Messenger again. Fix 7, uninstall and reinstall Messenger completely. If none of the above fixes have worked, delete Messenger from your device entirely. Go to your official app store, download and install the latest version fresh, log back into your account, and test your camera roll. A completely clean install resolves deep app issues that updating alone cannot always fix. Fix 8, report the issue to Facebook directly. If the error persists after all these steps, open Messenger. Tap the three-line menu, go to Settings, tap Report Technical Problem, describe the camera roll error, attach a screenshot if possible, and submit. Facebook's team uses these reports to identify widespread bugs and push fixes faster. Pro tip: while waiting for a permanent fix from Meta, you can send photos through Messenger using a simple workaround. Open your phone's gallery app, select the photo you want to send, tap the Share button, and choose Messenger from the Share menu. This bypasses the in-app camera roll completely and sends the photo directly through Messenger without triggering the error. So to recap, reset your photo and camera permissions first, force stop the app, clear the cache, update Messenger, opt out of beta if you are enrolled, check your storage, reinstall if needed, and report the issue to Facebook. Work through those fixes in order and your camera roll will be loading again in no time. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Messenger fix tutorials every week. Which fix worked for you? Drop it in the comments so other viewers know exactly where to start. It has been Daniel. See you in the next one.